Hello everyone, this is Dev Juneja. Here I will be describing you about my project, our team project of Hack IIT V2.0. So this is our app Constructo. This is a very user-friendly app, basically built for helping people in construction sites. While going through the app, I will be telling you more about the app. So here first, when we open the app, we get the option of creating an account, or if we already have an account, we can click here and log in with our credentials. So I will be creating an account. I will be entering my name, Dev Juneja. My email, let it be dev@gmail.com. Then I will create a password. Okay, so when I put my password, short password, lower than 6 digit, it will show that error. Okay, now I will try with a longer password, and I will intentionally type something else in the confirmation password. If password is not matching, it will again show the error. So we have to make sure that the password matches, and when we register, the home page of the site will show. So here this page shows the ongoing projects. At the time there are four projects going on in this app. So our first project is construction, where we will see that we can trade bricks and again bricks. There are two seller bricks. Another page shows us demand. So in this project is demanding for cement and bricks. So if I am a trader, like I want to sell the cement to the person, I will name it Ambuja Cement. I will quote my price and I will add it. So when I add this Ambuja Cement here, this message goes to the owner of the project construction, and if he wish, he can choose to buy my project. I will show this option later on when I will create my project. So has a demands. Here the documentation. Documentation tells about the real time investment with the project. Like we see here, the owner of the project have put a picture of the on site, and we can see the progress. These are the rules, the guidelines, standard guidelines of each room, how much height, how much space, how much width of the bathroom is there. So these are different projects. This is a god Shiv temple, and then I can make a new project of myself. Let me name it construction site. Project description for building tower. And when I see there are no demands, I need nothing right now. There's no documentation as I haven't added any picture. And the team section, you see there is nothing here. So I have asked my teammates to add something here later on. So this thing, when I trade something, like I traded Ambuja Cement here. So when something will be traded with me in my project, it will appear in this section, team section. So demand section, like I wish to have some iron rods, best quality iron rods. So I will add it here. I will add my demand. I can add pictures here. And let me add something. So here we can see the picture is added, and we can view it. and if you want we can even delete the picture. So see, now my teammate has traded something with me. It is iron core rod bestseller. If I wish to accept the price and accept the trade, I can click on the green button which will get it selected, and the trade is done. The Ambuja cement traded here will be appearing in the team section of the other person who has the project. And similarly, if I want to reject, it can be rejected. These are against the guidelines. So this was all about our project. Thank you.